Noodles Finance, a no-brainer trading platform for Sui ecosystem. Beta went live today, just a couple of hours ago. And so we're going to test it out in this video, make some trades, and show you why this could be my new go-to trading platform for all things Sui ecosystem tokens. But before I begin, please note nothing I say is financial advice. This is for education, entertainment purposes only. Please do your own research. All right, so you can see this tweet from just 2 hours ago. The Noodles beta is now live, and we're going to jump on that in a second and take a look. But first, let's dive into what Noodles Finance is. Noodles Finance is a DeFi trading platform built specifically for the Sui blockchain to enhance trading and yield farming experiences by leveraging Sui's high-speed, low-latency infrastructure. Unlike platforms adapted from other chains, Noodles Finance is designed from the ground up to utilize Sui's unique features such as parallel transaction execution and near-instant finality, which is why it is the homepage for Sui, built on Sui for Sui. Noodles is not just a tool for data, it's an all-in-one trading suite where you can check the chart, analyze the stats, and jump in immediately with the swap feature. So an all-in-one trading platform designed specifically for Sui. So we're super early to this. Let's go ahead and test it out. All right, so first glance at the Noodles trading platform looks really clean. I like that they have dark mode, and you could also switch to light mode if you like. You have the token ticker up here, and then by default, this is going to show all the trending tokens within the Sui ecosystem. We can change it to top. That's where you're going to see all the blue chips like Wall, Deep, Cetus, and so on. New is going to show you all the latest tokens within the Sui ecosystem. Over here, you're going to see DeFi stats for Sui, total value locked, volume, transactions, active wallets, and current staking APY. And then daily gainer is going to show you the top tokens for the day. And on the flip side, daily dips, the ones that have been hit hardest. And if we scroll down a little more, it looks like they're pulling in content from X, which is kind of cool to add a social aspect. So let's go ahead and test this thing out. Let's connect our wallet, and we'll connect Slush Wallet, and I'll say approve. Okay, our wallet's connected. Let's click right here, continue to explore this. Okay, hot tweets. It's pulling in top tweets from X, and it looks like it's all Sui related content, which is kind of cool. Let's click on this. All right, so we have a DEX right here, so you can make swaps on this platform. Again, kind of what they're saying, trying to be an all-in-one trading platform. Next, let's check out portfolio. So this gives a real nice overview of everything that you have in your wallet. Here are all the coins, and if you want to hide small amounts, that's nice to have that option. And then if we click on LPs, this will show you all of your liquidity positions. Currently, I have one on Magma, but if you had something on Cetus, that would most likely show here as well. And then Sui staking, if you're staking, that would show right here. And lending, so I do have a couple of positions on Sui Lend, which is nice to be able to see again right here with my wallet connected. If we go to NFTs, this will show you all the NFTs in your wallet, and transactions is nice to be able to go back and see your activity. You can see today's P&L right here. Wallet profiler, it looks like I'm a shrimp, and then just kind of a nice pie chart here of the allocation of tokens that you're holding. So really clean, really nice looking interface, pretty impressive. Again, this is in beta. This launched like 2 hours ago. This is really impressive. Everything has been working great. It's been fast. Here's a leaderboard they already have up, which is interesting. Let's go back to the home page. Let's go to top, and then let's go to wall. So again, very clean looking interface. Change this to 1 hour, and then let's zoom out a little bit. So it looks like they integrated trading view charts. Super nice. This is nice right here. You can see trading history, so you can see real-time trades, get an idea of what kind of volume the token has. Take a look at market. You can see all the different pools for wall token, and then you can see the top holders here. Let's go back to trading history. Taking a look over here, we've got the contract address, current price, liquidity, market cap, circulating supply, total supply, holders, almost 100,000 walrus holders. That's pretty impressive. So if we scroll down a little bit more, we can click on this to trade, which we're going to do in a second. You'll see your buy, sell transactions, volume, and makers. And then down at the bottom, it's going to tell you about the token. So here's about wall, the native token for the Walrus protocol. So everything I've seen so far with the Noodles Finance platform has been really impressive. In terms of just user experience, feel, layout, looks really good, clean, easy to use. All right, so let's go ahead and let's test out a trade. So I'll just say 2 Sui, and then once again, it's going to choose 7K. FlowX and Aftermath are also in here, it looks like. So it's going to go ahead and get the best route for you, this aggregator, and we'll say trade and approve. Transaction executed. Taking a look at it on Sui Vision, you can see success right there. So pretty straightforward, very easy to use. So pretty impressed with Noodles Fi platform. First time seeing this and testing it out. Again, just launched in beta a couple hours ago. This definitely has a lot of potential. Super clean interface on every section of the platform. Crypto natives are starting to wake up to what's happening on Sui. Momentum for the blockchain continues to build each week. And so it's nice to have a new trading platform launch. I think that Noodles Finance has a lot of potential and definitely something that is worth checking out. So hopefully this was helpful. If it was, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more crypto content. I'll see you in the next one.